Hi friends! For our math journal today, we're going to do our subtraction to 10 page. So I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, this page is a little bit different than what we've done before. We have to fill in the entire subtraction sentence. So to start, we're going to count all of the mice to see how many we started with. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we started with 7. Then I'm going to look and see how many are crossed out. How many have a black X over them? 1, 2. Okay, so my subtraction sentence reads 7 minus 2 equals. Now I'm going to count how many are not crossed off. How many did they not take away? So 7 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay, friends, so remember, you're filling in the entire subtraction sentence. So to start, you're counting all of the mice and writing it here. Minus how many are taken away, how many have the black X, equals how many are left. Do your very best, and Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here at the end of the day.